Welcome to this Snake game tutorial. Let's go through the code step by step. First, the HTML structure contains a canvas element where the game is drawn. Below that, there are 5 control buttons for movement: up, down, left, right, along with start and pause/resume buttons. Next, in the CSS section, we have a modern UI design. The canvas is centered with a clean background. The snake and food elements are colored to ensure visibility. The buttons are styled with a minimalistic look and are spaced properly for ease of use. Now, let's move on to the JavaScript logic. We first define variables, canvas and ctx to handle drawing. Snake is an array storing the snake's position, and food holds the coordinates for the food item. Direction keeps track of movement. The draw game function handles everything: clears the canvas before each frame, draws the food in red, draws the snake in green. The start game function initializes the game, resetting the snake and food. The pause game function stops or resumes the game using a toggle feature. The change direction function updates movement when a button is pressed. The arrow keys and control buttons both call this function to ensure smooth movement. Finally, event listeners allow the game to respond to both keyboard inputs and button clicks. A fully functional snake game with a modern UI, keyboard, and button controls. Hope you enjoyed it. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more coding projects. Thanks for watching.